Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase on Android, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Android Studio on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Ensure you have a project with a minimum SDK version compatible with Firebase. Navigate to the Firebase console in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't done so already. Select Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Provide a name for your project and click Continue. Decide whether to enable Google Analytics, then click Create Project. In the Firebase console, click on the Android icon. Enter your app's package name as found in your Android project. Provide a nickname for your app if desired. You can also add your app's signing certificate SHA1 for additional configurations. Click Register App to proceed. Follow the instructions to download the Google Services.json file. Place the Google Services.json file in the app/directory of your Android project. In Android Studio, open the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the Google Services class path in the dependencies section of the project level build.gradle file. Apply the Google Services plugin by adding Apply Plugin, com.google.gms.google services at the bottom of your app level build. Add the necessary Firebase SDK dependencies in the app level build.gradle file under Dependencies. Ensure to include the specific Firebase components you plan to use, such as Firebase Authentication, Firestore, or Real-Time Database. Click Sync Now in the top right corner of Android Studio to sync your project. Build your project to ensure there are no errors related to Firebase integration. Next, initialize Firebase in your application. Open the mainActivity.java or mainActivity.kt file, depending on your coding language. In the onCreate method, add Firebase app.initializeApp, this, to initialize Firebase. To ensure smooth runtime, handle any potential exceptions. Finally, run your application on an emulator or a real device to verify Firebase is correctly set up. Check the Firebase console for activity related to your app to confirm successful integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.